If you want a tasty but really easy sandwich to make, try this ham, apple, and cheese panini. The recipe's by Weight Watchers. You start by slicing your cheddar cheese. You can use block cheese or you can use sliced cheese. Next, slice up an apple really thin. The thinner the better. You're going to start with 2 slices of bread. Add your choice of mayonnaise or mustard. Mustard will give you less calories, but mayo may give you better flavor if that's what you like. And then add the cheese to the bread. Really straightforward here. Now to your bread and cheese, add some deli ham, 2 to 3 slices, and then add your apple slices, 3 or 4 of those. You just want to cover the ham. Then you're going to add another slice or 2 of ham on top of the apples. Put your bread on top of that and add it to your panini press or your grill. Now we're using a grill with a lid, so we're able to add some weight and press that down. Cook it for 5 minutes at 375 and out comes a really nice crunchy sandwich. It should be hot through and through. Give that sandwich a little cut and you'll notice that the knife just really makes a wonderful crunching sound as it goes through the bread. And that's all there is to it. Here you can see each layer. Try it for yourself. Then give us a subscribe, hit that notify and like button. Thanks for watching. It's another recipe from Ghost Toast Kitchen.